Hi dear friends, my name is Gijo Vijayan. I am a blogger, author and entrepreneur from India. I am based in Patna. In this video, I want to give you a very important tip, that is how to make bit of money during lockdown sitting at home. I have been experimenting on this for a long time and finally I have become successful. There is a sure short method to make bit of money. It is not multi-level marketing. It is creating online course. If you have any kind of expertise, for example you know yoga, you can create an online course and reach thousands of customers. There are people who are ready to buy your course. You can create the course content using audios, videos and PDF files. Create a course according to the skills you know. For example, if you know how to create if you know abacus, for example, you create a course with your brand, Manoj's abacus classes. There will be lot of takers for your classes, and what you need to do is to analyze your skill and create a small course and try to reach people. How I sell my courses? I keep messaging people in Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram and WhatsApp groups, and do email marketing also. And when I get an inquiry, I send the details about my course to the client, and if the client is interested, then I will call them, follow them and close the sale. You sell the courses for small amount, say 299, 399, 499 rupees, etc. So these courses are affordable, it is digital, and it should have content and value. That is more important. So I am already making about 1000 rupees per day using this technique, and you can also do the same. I am actually selling multiple courses and my income is increasing every day. You can also do the same, and you need to have a core skill and you should know marketing. These are the prerequisites for this particular thing to get succeed. So start a small course today itself. Below this video I have given the details about the courses which I am selling, and if you are interested to contact me, you can call me at 9798404042. My name is Gijo Vijayan. Thank you very much.